Hello everyone! So it is Thursday today and I saw on TikTok last night that we got a code orange. All the Halloween stuff is out in Michael's. So today I thought that we would go and do some shopping for some Halloween decor. I'm also doing some Halloween DIY live streams where you guys can follow along. So I have them all listed over on my Twitch channel, like in the banner below, for all the items that you need. So it's coming up in a couple weeks, and some of the items, I've listed them out all on Amazon, but to be honest with you, it's a little expensive. So we're gonna go to the dollar store and try to see what other Halloween decor they have that we can use in our DIYs. Cause you know, I wanna make some things, and then we're gonna go check out the collection at Michael's. I don't know if I'm gonna buy anything. Actually, I might buy some things. But I don't know, we're just gonna go check it out. Red is gonna come along with me because we both love Halloween.
Yeah.
Ready? We're early this year, thanks to TikTok.
This is probably the earliest we've been.
Yeah, we're on top of it. So we have a lot of bins in our storage that have some Halloween decor, and we're gonna add to it, maybe. I actually have to go through and get rid of some stuff. So yeah, let's go out and do some Halloween shopping. All we got at the dollar store were flowers and paper. It was not a code orange at the dollar store. We were a week early. No Halloween stuff.
No, we asked, and they're like, next week.
Michael's, don't fail me, TikTok. Don't fail me, TikTok.
Don't fail me.
Driving all the way down here. Better have some Halloween. Parked outside, and I don't know. I see back to school stuff.
Dude, no, I don't think this is code orange here. This is more like code yellow.
This is it. This is all that they have.
Oh, okay.
I found a skull.
Yeah.
How much is it?
$7.
No way.
7.
What a ripoff. Well, at least we found some of these. And I'm getting some flowers. That's a good size.
It is a good size.
Babe.
I'm taking it.
That's a false alarm, everyone. False alarm. It
Yep.
was just a test.
You called it too, even before we went in. You took a peek inside, you're like, nope.
Just a test. We'll have to come back next week. Attempt number 2. A little section.
Yeah.
Yay, just a little bit.
A little bit.
Okay, we're back home. I wanted to show you guys what we actually got because there's copyrighted music playing and I couldn't really talk. But here are the items that we decided to get, and I really liked this one. I thought that it was like really well made. I love the colors and the design. This one I was like contemplating if I should actually make something, because like the actual tarot design, like I feel like I could do something better than this, but I could not find, like, I feel like these accents are pretty cool. So I was like, you know what? We're just gonna get it. We got this little skull. I thought this one was cool. It's just something you don't really see too often. It's not just like a simple skull. I love the flower and the snake and the gold. It's just, I thought it was cool. Last but not least, we got this little See Your Fortune little display. It lights up, which was honestly like the determining factor why I got it. And I feel like I wouldn't be able to make it myself since this is like carved out. It would just take a lot of time. So those are the pieces that I got. I tried to choose pieces and be mindful what I bought just because I'm doing a lot of DIY stuff this year and I just wanted to get things that I knew would be more complicated to make and I would probably spend more time doing it rather than, you know, spending the $30 for this like little light up sign. But yeah, I think that their stuff was super awesome. I'm feeling really inspired to decorate early this year and have some DIYs for all of you guys to follow. Like I said on our live streams, I already have 6 of them planned out, so make sure to tune into those. But yeah, maybe we'll do like a little decorate with me vlog. Do you want to decorate my house with me Halloween? I am gonna be doing some more crochet projects. So I know some of you guys on our Discord group have been asking me if I'm gonna be doing anything. And I went to Joann's the other day to get this yarn. It's like a plushy yarn and we're gonna be making a little witch hat beanie out of this. Then I wanted to show you guys this too. Since I went to Joann's, I found this awesome fabric and I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. I don't know. I feel like I want to make like a set or maybe even like, I don't know, use it with the hat. I don't know. I'm feeling super creative and inspired. I freaking love fall. But yeah, let me know what you guys think I should make out of this. I'm also going to be DIYing some costumes. I'm going to be going to some Halloween events. So look out for that on the channel. Okay, I'm like super excited about Halloween. It's another great day for some Halloween shopping.
Yeah, let's go Halloween shopping in August.
Woo! We're just very prepared. These are kind of cool. Whoa. Oh, look at how cute. They're candles. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. I really like this. It's so cute. There's a poison apple one too. Oh my. Look at this backpack. That's scary. Oh my gosh. This is a bag. These are bags. I'm shook. Look at these rugs.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. Wait,
Is
are
it
these
a
for like
rug?
indoor?
This is like a
It's like a
bathroom.
mat. It's a bath mat.
Yeah.
Wait, this is like a outdoor rug. I really like this.
Dude, they should do one like this, but it's rectangle and it's a tarot card.
So we
I
need
just
to
give
make
you
a we need to make a rug.
Let's do it.
Okay, but look, we need like some kitchen stuff. It's a candelabra cake. We could do eggmatic. That little gingerbread man. It's a bat mitten. You find a skull you like?
Yeah, this is pretty cool.
There's a lot of cool ones down here. I don't know how I feel about this though.
Oh yeah.
I don't like that. This looks like the fancy stuff.
Yeah.
Kind of like this. This is kind of cool. Look at this book of spells. Super cool. Okay. Oh, this is my favorite. Bastille Halloween. They're so creepy, but I love it. I want that. Oh my gosh, look at these. These are amazing. I'm so obsessed right now. I'm so happy. I think this is like a paper mache. It's like very lightweight and I'm kind of tempted to just make one myself. Okay, but I really love these guys. The dog and the cat.
It's cool.
Look at the candles.
Ooh.
They're LED haunted candle pair and the carrots. These are so cool. I love the energy in here. Everyone is just like on my level. Oh, you like this one? That is super cool. Okay, this is like my favorite thing. I love this. But it's so expensive. There's a bunch of candles. I love the apples. They're so cool. All right, time to hit up the pet store just to see what they have for our fur babies.
We might be a little too early.
Maybe, I don't know.
Maybe, we'll see.
Oh, yes. Oh my goodness. Look at everything.
So cool.
It is so cute. Oh man, I kind of want to get this, but
I mean,
I miss my Lulu bear.
yeah, me too.
I kind of want to get one of these. We could put this on the cats. Look, babe. These are for...
What the heck?
For-
It's for a lizard.
This is for lizards?
Yeah, look.
Oh. What?
They're making...
This is for a lizard or a... What? I'm so... Look at this. This is a cat toy. It has catnip in it. I think Linky would like this.
Oh, yeah. Heck yeah.
I think Linky would like this too.
What?
Linky would love this.
You think so? You see, not really.
No way. She would hate it. For guinea pigs.
What the heck?
Oh my gosh. I don't know what to get them. I just want a guinea pig just so I can put a taco on them. I cannot get over all of the guinea pig costumes. Linky could be the king.
I don't know if that's what they had.
Yeah, we have fat cats.
Yeah.
This is a cat harness. It's a shark. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it has catnip in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we're getting them a little pack here. Linky loves these things. And we're getting my dad's dog, Rumor. It's a little chew toy. It's so cute. All right, so we are home. I wanted to show you guys what I got at the Halloween store because I feel like I was just all over the place. I ended up getting this little purse. I think it's super cute. I always love novelty purses. I like how it's like double-sided too. So if I'm feeling like extra sparkly, we can wear this one. I got this tablecloth. I feel like tablecloths make like a huge difference in decorations. And this one had like a super cool pattern. So it has like bones and like the little hand with the eye, scorpions, bats, octopus. Like, I don't know. I just thought it was super cool. Look at the frog. I thought it was really unique. So I haven't really seen anything like this. I also found these guys. I thought these were so cute. They're little pumpkin bells. They're amazing. We also got these crows. I'm gonna use these at my front door to decorate the front to make it nice and spooky. We also got a Bigfoot just because Red had this idea of having a sign outside and using this guy to create a shadow, you know, kind of be spoopy. We also got this nice little blanket or a throw. I just like the simple black and white. I have a pillow that actually matches this, so I think this will be a nice addition to our decor. And last but not least, we got the Little Bastille Cat. I was like thinking I could DIY it, but I mean, it would take me a while to do. And to be honest with you, like I just really wanted to support our Halloween store that we like going to. So here he is. The eyes actually are like a thin fabric along with the mouth, so I could put like a fake candle in here if I wanted to. I don't know. I love it. I think he's so cool. Just look at that smile. This is seriously my favorite piece. Like, I just love it so much. I forgot to show you guys one last thing that we got. Let me get it out. Okay, so it's packaged up nicely here, but I just thought this was so cool. We got this gargoyle piece, little gargoyle cat. We wanted to get another gargoyle cat piece, but I don't know, this one just felt like really good quality. It has a nice weight to it, you know, it's not cheap looking. And I don't know, I always like to invest in Halloween items that are unique, not too cheesy, not too Halloweeny. But yeah, he has a super cool vibe to him. I love his little fangs. I think this is a great addition, especially since we have cats. So my house is officially a mess. I still have the other stuff that I bought from Michael's back on the table. I need to organize it, go through it, and then I think I might actually do a vlog where we decorate my house because you know we love Halloween over here. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, please let me know. Leave a like, Let me know what's your favorite thing that I bought from this whole little haul in the comment section below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.
Ruby, look it.
Jimmy, look.
Look.
What is that? What is that? Whoa, you want it? Take it.
Bye, Ruby.
Bye.